Welcome to Custom Shop. Canary yellow. Custom Shop products are made in the U.S.A. We formulate, manufacture, and distribute our products throughout the U.S.A. Our superior coating products only use the highest quality ingredients, which allow our customers to achieve consistent, high-quality professional results on all their painting projects. Hot Rod Flatz Acrylic Urethane System is a high-performance, professional, easy-to-use, single-stage paint coating system designed for overall automotive refinishing. You don't have to be limited to just primer for your flat, matte look. With over 200 solid metallic and pearl colors to choose from, customize your ride with Hot Rod Flatz.